Hello everyone, welcome to Wiiz. To get started, let's first log in to the platform. As you can see, here's the home page. Let us click on the workflow builder. So for the purpose of today's video, we will be learning how to use the Gmail integration node available on the Wiiz platform. We will be focusing entirely on this single node and explain how to connect a Gmail account, how to conduct various operations on our emails, and how to conduct various operations on the calendars. I'll explain each option exactly as you see it on the screen. On Wiz, you can scroll down and find the Gmail integrations node underneath integrations and drag it into your workflow. The Gmail integration node enables direct integration between Wiz and Gmail, allowing secure interaction with both email and calendar services. Using this node, users can fetch emails from a Gmail mailbox, send emails programmatically, and schedule meetings and calendar events. All of these actions are executed through a single configurable node. So let's start from the top. The first section here is account connection. As you can see, we've got the following connected accounts. If you would like to add your own, just click right here. To begin using the Gmail integration node, the user connects their Gmail account through secure Google authentication. Once authenticated, the node gains access only to permitted Gmail and calendar operations. No passwords or credentials are stored in plain text, and access can be revoked at any time from the Google account. This ensures enterprise-grade security and compliance. Once connected, the account becomes available for reuse across executions of this node. Let us first try to add our new Gmail account by clicking right here. As you can see, we have the option to choose an account. We choose it. We ensure the security check. But as you can see here, Wiz still has not completed the Google verification process. So our account was denied access. So now let us try it with an account that has been verified and allowed access. We get this warning. And as you can see, Wiz would like to access the following aspects of our account. These permissions are necessary for Wiz to work correctly with the Gmail integration node. And as you can see, it was a success. And now our account is connected. Next up, we have the action dropdown. This dropdown supports what the Gmail node will do. This node supports all these actions, but for the sake of this video, we will be mainly focusing on fetching emails, sending emails, getting the email body, starting or unstarting an email, deleting an email, scheduling meetings, getting the meeting details, updating meetings, and deleting meetings. Let's first look at fetch emails. When this action is selected, the node exposes parameters for retrieving emails from Gmail. Down here, we've got filters. This field accepts filters in the JSON format. For example, in this configuration, unread true means only unread emails are fetched, and the label inbox restricts the fetch to the inbox. Using filters, you can control exactly which emails are retrieved. Limit. The limit field defines how many emails are fetched in a single execution. In this case, the limit is set to 10. This helps control volume and performance. The test button. Using the test fetch emails button, you can immediately verify whether the configuration is working and confirm that the emails are being successfully retrieved. So why don't we test it out right now? So as you can see, here's the result. We've got the ID, we've got the thread ID, we've got the subject, who it's from, our recipient, the date, and if it's unread. And these are the 10 unread emails that we have in the inbox for the given email ID. Now let's switch the action to send email. This configuration is used when you want the node to send an email directly from the connected Gmail account. 2. This field accepts a JSON array of recipient email addresses. Multiple recipients can be added in a structured format. Subject. The subject field defines the subject line of the email. Body. The body field allows you to write the email content using HTML formatting. This makes it suitable for professional styled email communication. Variables. The variable field allows dynamic values to be injected into the email body, making the message flexible and reusable. And the test button. Clicking Test Send Email sends a test email using the provided configuration, allowing you to validate everything before using it in production. So our configurations should look something like this. Here is the output. It was a success. And here is the email received. We can even conduct actions such as marking an email as read or unread. In the message ID, it accepts a JSON array of message IDs. As you may recall, the node output always returns a message ID for the email, whether you send one or the ones of which you fetched. So we add the node message ID here, and then we can mark it as read, or if you want to mark it as unread, we select this option. Similarly, to star or unstar an email, we've got the same message ID parameter, which we fill with the message ID of the email which was received or sent. Then to start the email, we can either click this, or to unstar it, we click on this. To delete an email that you've sent, again, you enter the message ID in the parameter, and to delete it, you click on No, which will move it to the trash. Or you can permanently delete it by clicking on Yes. To move an email, you again enter the message ID of the given email, and then you choose the destination. Like right here, we've chosen the destination as inbox. We may have other destinations, such as the junk folder or the trash folder, or even the spam folder. Now let's take a look at Schedule Meeting. This action integrates directly with Google Calendar to create events and meetings. The title field. This defines the meeting or event name that appears on the calendar. The attendees. This field accepts a JSON array of attendee email addresses. All of the listed attendees automatically received calendar invitations. The start time and end time. Here you define the meeting start time and end time using the ISO date time format. Time zone. The time zone field specifies the calendar time zone. In this example, it is set to Asia/Kolkata, ensuring correct scheduling for participants. Using the test schedule meeting, you can instantly create a calendar event and verify that invitations are sent correctly. Here is what the configuration should look like. This is the output. Since it was a success, as you can see, here was the invite. If you would like to get the meeting details for a particular meeting, you can enter the event ID. As you may recall, the event ID was returned in the output for the scheduled meeting action. To update a meeting, you can enter the event ID of that same meeting. You can change the title, as you can see, or even enter the new start time. Finally, to delete a meeting, similarly to the way you get the meeting details, you can enter the event ID and then the meeting is deleted. To summarize, the Gmail integration node allows you to securely connect a Gmail account, fetch filtered emails from Gmail, send formatted emails, and schedule meetings directly in the Google Calendar. All of this is achieved through a single configurable node without requiring external tools. That concludes this walkthrough of the Gmail integration node on the Wiiz platform. Thank you for watching.